Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you are watching Cooking for the Holidays. If you have watched our previous episode on the part 1 of my roasted crown of lamb with the crusted pistachio, you know that I have a side dish that accompany with the lamb, which is my coconut mushroom risotto. So now I am going to show you how I made this side dish. Here's our ingredients and let's get started. Okay, so we put some olive oil into our pot here in my Cocotte. And we're gonna put some minced garlic here. And we're gonna saute that first. Okay, followed by the shallot. Okay, cook this for 30 seconds first. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our baby portobello mushrooms. Alright, we really want to cook this down. Okay, cook it for another 2 minutes here. Okay, so it's time to season it with some black pepper. Now I'm not gonna add any salt because I'm using chicken stock to cook the rice, so we can add the salt later if it's needed. Okay, I am using, I'll be using low sodium chicken broth. So even though it says low sodium, I don't really trust it, you know, so I'll add the salts later at the end. Alright, so we're gonna add in our arborio rice. So we're gonna go ahead and toast it a little bit. The arborio rice, which is your risotto. Alright. So give it a good stir, good mix here. Alright, so now we're going to put in our white wine. Alright, so to cook the risotto, the key is to add a little bit of our chicken broth here first. Alright, so I'm gonna add in 1 cup here. Now the key to cooking the risotto is you keep on stirring the risotto rice. Alright, so as the risotto is absorbing the liquid, alright, so you can see it is absorbing it relatively quickly. So then we're gonna add in our chicken stock. We're gonna continue to add in. Alright, so the risotto is coming along really good. Keep stirring them. I'm gonna cook it to a perfect al dente. Okay, add a little bit more chicken stock. Okay, so we're almost there. Alright, so I have another 2/3 cups of chicken stock left. It seems like I don't need to put the rest in. Alright, so I don't want to have this too watery. At this time, it's good to give your risotto a taste and see if the rice is cooked to al dente yet. Okay, so I think we need some more black pepper. I'm gonna lower my heat. Alright, so now I'm gonna put in my coconut milk. Alright, so now we're gonna mix this really well. Alright, so you can also add in some coconut flakes if that's something that you like. My wife Shan doesn't really like the coconut flakes, so I'm not gonna add that in. Okay, really love the coconut flavor. I'm just gonna add a little bit more coconut milk in. Alright, so stir well. Now we're ready to bake this in the oven. I'm gonna sprinkle some of my breadcrumbs on top. Alright, so I'm gonna save some of the breadcrumbs later because I'm gonna put it on top of the roasted crowned lamb chop. So, alright, so now I'm gonna put this in the oven. Alright, put it in the oven for 400 degrees. And we're gonna do it for 5 to 10 minutes. We just wanted to give the breadcrumbs a nice golden brown. Alright, time to get out our risotto. Alright, look how nice it is. I hope you enjoy another great video here. And if you have not yet watched the roasted crown of lamb, like I said, check the description box below. And if you want to recreate this dish, take a look at the recipe in the description box below. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our food travel shopping channel, hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell notification for the latest video and update. I wish you and your family a happy holidays and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.